Using our SnapStart tool and discovery process, we gather important details about your IT environment. We typically run commands to scan every 15 minutes, 24/7 over the course of 2 weeks, to get a quality sample of the communication that occurs in your environment. These details are fed into Power BI, where they can be analyzed based on any number of variables and turned into actionable reports to guide your next steps. Using SnapStart and Power BI together gives you the insights you need to address migration dependencies and determine which solution designs will be most cost-effective. You'll be able to identify your requirements for access, uptime, and downtime, which workload should go where, when and how cutover will occur, and how to manage and mitigate risks. Power BI provides several different types of reporting. You can look at application-to-application reporting, for example. Or, for more granularity, you can look at server-to-server destination traffic, which is TCP/IP information. Let's see what that looks like. Start by selecting the specific server you want to look at from the drop-down list. Or select Search, and you can type in the name of the server you'd like to view. Selecting one server shows you the other servers it communicates with. The green node is the source or selected server. The purple nodes are the destination servers. The thickness of the gray connector lines corresponds to the amount of traffic occurring between the servers. A thicker line represents more traffic. View additional details by opening up the Fields tab, which displays information based on what SnapStart and our team find during discovery. Then open the Visualizations tab and select the Table button. Click and drag fields such as destination port, source port, and instance count to create a customized table of data to analyze. The table we've created provides a full list of the source and destination ports being used to communicate between the source server, the green node, and the destination servers, the purple nodes. We also see how many times communications occurred through the instance count. Higher numbers of instance counts indicate an important communication and suggest that it might be wise to bundle these servers for migration. It can also be helpful to add a protocol field to the table. In this table, we see that all of the communication occurred on TCP. Alternatively, we can look at destination servers. By selecting this destination IP address, we see which source IP addresses it communicates with, and how many times the communication occurred during the discovery period. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos in the SnapStart demo series.